We are starting with body love meditation now. So with a cool mind, focus all your attention on the center of the heart and say to yourself, your heart specifically, that I love you. Say to your heart specifically. If you can put your hands on the heart, it will be great. Put your hands on the heart and say very clearly, very heartfully, I love you. You have been working for me day and night. I thank you for all the efforts you are putting, for all the love you are carrying, for all the positive emotions you are carrying. I love you. I love you. Feel your heart. Now put all your attention on your head. Put all your attention on your head and say it to yourself. Maybe you can put your hands also on your head and bless yourself. Say to your brain that I love you. Put your hands on your head and say to yourself that I love you. I have so much respect for my brain, which is so intelligent, so powerful, so capable, that it knows the right and wrong for me. It keeps on working day and night for me. I'm so much thankful. I'm so much thankful to my brain, so much thankful to my head. Now put all your attention on your eyes. Put your hands also there and say to yourself, your eyes, I love you. I convey my gratitude for you. I'm so much thankful. That you are there. You see the positive in others. And you ignore the negative qualities of people. I love you. Thank you so much. Convey your love to your nose. Thank you so much. Convey your love to your mouth, especially your tongue, saying that I love you. I provide my deepest gratitude for you. Thank you so much for being very selective in choosing what to eat and what not to eat. Even if the taste is not so pleasing, still you accept the healthy things I eat. Thank you so much. Convey your positive feelings, your gratitude to your ear, putting your hand over there and being so thankful to your ears that you listen to the positive things outside. And I'm really thankful that you listen only positive and you ignore the negative things. You ignore the bad thing about others. I'm really thankful to my ear. And thank you so much for being there, because through these ears only I listen to the divine discourses. I'm so much thankful, which gives me the right way of living and the right knowledge I get through the ear. Thank you so much. I have great gratitude for my neck. Pull your hand on your neck and be thankful. Pay your gratitude. Be very thankful to your neck, which is so flexible that you can rotate your head beautifully over here and there, left and right, up and down. And because of the neck, you look so beautiful. Because of the neck, you have flexibility. Because of the neck, you have a throat with which you can produce different beautiful sounds. Thank you so much. If any problem is there, the problem will be solved. Feel that your energy is solving the problem. If any problem in any of the organs that you are healing now, you should feel that you are feeling very positive. Now put all your attention on your stomach. Put your hands on the stomach. Be thankful. The entire digestive system, I'm so much thankful. It includes the liver, the stomach, gallbladder, the large intestine, small intestine, and the entire digestive system, which is working so nicely. And the digestive system is working even while we are sleeping. And we are so thankful to the stomach. So thankful. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for being there. Sometimes I don't control what I eat, but still I'm thankful that you digest. I promise you that I will try to eat whatever is most comfortable with you and easy to digest. I am so much thankful to my stomach. And entire digestive system, which has been working day and night to digest whatever I eat and getting all the vitamins, minerals from the food, especially the small intestine, which is working to extract the vitamins and minerals, micronutrients from the foot. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Now put your hands together to the kidneys at the back side, just behind the navel center in the back side, and feel that you are conveying your love to the kidneys, to doing all the purification work, to remove the urea, creatinine, from the bloodstream, making the blood pure. Be very thankful for the function of kidney doing so nice. And if any problem is there, just feel that it's getting resolved. Now, feel the same with the spine, the lower part of the spine especially, and feel your gratitude towards that. I'm so much thankful to my spine, which is keeping me straight, which is giving me a lot of flexibility. I'm so much thankful. If any problem is there, feel that it is getting resolved. Convey your love, convey your feelings to the spine. Similarly, convey your positive feelings to the genitals. Thank you so much. Just convey the positive feelings. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. Convey your positive feelings to your thighs. Thank you for being there. To your ankles. To your knee joints. Thank you so much. To your feet, to your hands, to the entire body, from top to the bottom. Be thankful. Be thankful. Thank you so much. To the entire body. Thank you. Thank you for this beautiful body, to the Supreme Lord, to the Creator. We pray to the Supreme Lord, to the Creator. Thank you so much for providing this beautiful body, which is healthy, capable of doing its tasks. I'm so much thankful, the Supreme Lord, O Creator. I'm thankful. I'm thankful. I pay my sincere gratitude toward this beautiful body and toward the Creator. I'm so much thankful for the love you have bestowed upon me in the form of this divine body, this divine creation of yours. Thank you so much. Now, let's continue this feeling towards the healing of Mother Earth. So this beautiful body of ours is the instrument through which we have to move ahead in this planet, So we thank for the beautiful body. Now we move on to the healing of Mother Earth in this very gratitude way, the way which is we are connected to the Supreme, we are connected to our own self. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Oh Creator, thank you very much.